Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. Today I have a book called Butterfly that I am going to be reading to you guys. Butterflies are my favorite insects in the whole wide world because they come in so many different patterns, they are so beautiful, and they can fly. Who doesn't want to fly? That'd be so much fun, right? So, let's begin. The butterfly. Sitting on top of a leaf. See a little bug. At the end of the garden, there's a little stripy caterpillar. What do you think it's been doing all day? First, it ate up the leaf it was sitting on. And when that was gone, it started munching on the next one. Silly caterpillar? It was very hungry. There are lots of other hungry caterpillars too. There's a teeny tiny green one. See it right there. A very chubby yellow one right over here. A soft white hairy one right there. Big fat fuzzy one. Whoa, he looks cool. And all of them are eating as fast as they can chew. Munch, munch, munch. The little stripy caterpillar is not so little now, but still he keeps on eating. Munch, munch, munch. Soon, it's even too fat for its skin. So it shrugs it off like it's just an old coat. And then eats some more. One day, the caterpillar stops eating. Perhaps it's full. It curls up under a leaf and falls fast asleep. Slowly, its skin becomes a shiny case. It hangs there quietly, not moving at all, for a very long time. All at once, it starts to wriggle. It wriggles and wriggles until the case splits open, and it inches its way out. Wow, look at that. The stripy caterpillar has become a beautiful butterfly. It stretches out its bright new wings in the warm sunshine. Then it flutters up into the wide blue sky. All kinds of pretty butterflies are flitting around the garden. There's a lanky white one. There's two speckled blue ones. And one with circles on its wings. Wow. So beautiful creatures. The butterfly flutters from flower to flower, sipping sweet nectar from every one. There he is. At night, it folds its dainty wings and settles down to sleep. When it's time, the butterfly carefully lays some eggs. Each one is like a tiny pearl. Get those right there. A few days later, a sleepy little stripy caterpillar pops out of each egg. They are all very, very hungry. Can you guess what happens next? Munch, munch, munch. And the cycle continues. Well friends, that's it for story time. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time for another book. I wonder what it will be next time. We shall see. Alright, take care guys. Bye-bye.